It's not necessary, but if possible then like or dislike the video. To learn these skills you will have to strengthen your forearms and also improve core strength. Start by doing push-ups, which will help you in increasing your forearm strength. You have to do 3 sets of 15 repetitions. Similarly, you have to do downward push-ups like this, and you have to do 3 sets of 10 repetitions. Now you have to do core exercises, which will help you in increasing your core strength. You have to do this 3 times for 30 seconds. Now you have to do reverse crunches for 45 seconds and repeat it 2 times. Whenever you try to do crow pose, you have to keep your hands on the ground like this. If you are a beginner, then you have to place your knees on your elbow and then slowly try to balance. And once you learn this, then you can try to learn advanced crow pose like this.
The voice that carries them has kept me astray. Too soon to act on it, can we ever be? That all depends on what you're feeling from me. Show you all.
For this advanced pose, you have to place your knee on your elbow and try to lift your other leg slowly, in which your core strength will help you to do this.
Let me show you all the ways. Yeah, let me show you all the ways.
To learn elbow planche, you have to place your elbows on your core or hip bone and slowly try to lift your legs. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest update. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.